Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install and use Chrome extensions on Android. Right, as you can see, you can actually get extensions tailored to you, where you get to use the Chrome editors and a lot more to get new tabs and AI powered extensions as well. Where I'm here to actually tell you that in order to do that, you have to first of all open up your Chrome. So I'll be closing the app up just like this. Open up your Chrome app just like this, and you search for Chrome extension. So you can see this first one right here is what you need to click on. So you click on it, and so you can see this Chrome web store is only available on desktop. To customize Chrome on your computer, open this page on your desktop browser. So you can see, meaning it's not even possible to use the Chrome extension on your Android. So there's no need for you to actually try to download other apps that suggest and advise they use extensions, Chrome extensions. No, it's not good for your phone. So all you need to do is get your desktop or your computer to have access to the Chrome extension. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.